Hello, it's Dean Scott from Streamline Europe, and today I wanted to show you this vehicle. It's a Citroen Relay L3H2 vehicle, which is actually going to Limassol in Cyprus. This vehicle has been fitted out with the Line-X waterproof floor coating, including the Smartank 1000 litre tank, full reverse osmosis and deionized filtration, along with a ton of other accessories, including the thermo diesel heater, a inverter electric system, shelving racks, additional pump controllers, the external bumper ports, the vehicle polylining kits, the graphics, etc, etc. Streamline Europe was set up as a separate entity, a European entity, to give our European customers greater access to our Streamline products. Stay tuned throughout 2023 to hear more about how we are doing it. Also from some exciting new launches, product launches, and of course some exciting deals on our Streamline range. Thank you.